Hello friends, the battlefield of Jharkhand is heating up because of the party's focus to the North Chotanagpur region. We all know that Jharkhand is ahead of its assembly elections, which are going to be happening in two phases on November 13th and November 20th. Okay, so now all the political parties' major focus is towards this North Chota Nagpur region. Winning the assembly constituencies from that region can be a major, support system for the parties to regain the power or to establish themselves more strongly. Why it is so? It is because of the prosperity of the region. It is because of the large coal fields that it has. So in today's video, I'm going to explain about all the prosperities that this region has and why it is so significant, and especially why the parties are focusing so much on that. And as we already know that the first phase of election is going to happen on November 13 across Koderma, Barkata, Barhi, etc. And now let's get into this. Jharkhand's prosperity when it comes to the coal. Jharkhand is the only state which has the prime coking coal in it. Okay, so this is something which can be directly fed into the coke oven with or without washing for making metallurgical coke. And this region alone, supplies about 72.2 billion tons of coals of all the categories, which is something that is making the region to fulfill about 70 million tons of coal demands for the thermal power plants. You can see in this map that these are some of the important minerals in addition to the coal that is available in the region. So talking about the important minerals, we say that Jharkhand is the largest deposits of minerals. About 40% of the total minerals of the country are from this region alone, and this state is the sole producer of coking coal, uranium and pyrite. So it again ranks first in the production of coal, mica, kyanite and copper in India. So these are some of the important facts that you have to know about this particular region, Jharkhand. And you can see this is the North Chota Nagpur division that we are right now talking about. And this is something which is considered as the best way to the corridors of power. Why? Because as you see in this map, this is the region which is hosting important districts with so many coal fields, as you can see in this map. Let's have a look at some of the important districts. It includes districts like Koderma. Okay, it includes districts like Ramgarh. Here we have Koderma, and this is Chatra, and this is Dhanbad. Okay, so this particular North Chotanagpur region alone hosts 25 assembly constituencies. Okay, so of which in the last election BJP won 19 assembly constituencies from this North Corridor region alone. Okay, so these are important districts that we have here, and these are the major coal fields located in this region. So as you can see in this map, this is Bokaro. Okay, so this is Ramgarh, and this is the region of Dhanbad. This is the region of Chatra. So these are the important major coal fields we have, and that is why we say this region as the Jharkhand's coal belt. Okay, so this is the region of coal belt in Jharkhand. Moving ahead, see, these are the famous coal, most prosperous famous coal mines that are located, that is in Dhanbad, Chatra and Ramgarh. And we all know that Koderma is the important region which is famous for its mica mining, and in fact it is one of the world's largest leading producers, especially when it comes to mica. Okay, so we also have Bokaro steel plant located here. So we can have a look at these important major coal fields that are there. Moving ahead from here, so these are some of the major coal companies being in operation in this region, starting from the Jharkhand State Mineral Development Corporation to important, coal fields. Companies like Bharat Coal Company Limited, Eastern Coalfields Limited, Central Mica Planning Design Institute Limited are contributing to the production of coal from this region. Do we have any issues associated with this region? Of course, yes. There is a big parallel economy running in this region with respect to coal. not only from the perspective of its production, but also it is the parallel economy. So it includes everything that is done being illegally, packaging, transporting, okay, and then supplying it to different regions, and it is affecting the local population of the Jharkhand so much, because we have so many people from Jharkhand getting employed into this parallel economy, okay, being forced to do jobs, and as a result of which they are not able to find the rightful employment opportunities. And if we are not able to connect these particular population to the formal employment or to the proper employment, then obviously the people are going to be remaining poor only. So we all sometimes we say that Jharkhand is the rich state with poor people. It is mainly because of these kind of environment issues, economical issues that is happening. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Here we have an exciting announcement for all of you. November 10th, an academy is going to conduct a scholarship program, and the people, those who are able to qualify it, will be able to win prize from a pool of worth 50 crores, starting from a luxury trip to Australia to watch the Border Gavaskar trophy. And you will also have able to get a luxurious family staycation with prizes like laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. And here you can use my code, that is RIYA50, to get subscription to your UPSC CSC courses on the Unacademy platform for just rupees 24,900. So this offer will be valid only till 9th of November. So if you have not subscribed to UPSC Warriors channel, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share and comment. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.